Okay, so the next area we're going to discuss is the interests that a business owner should have for starting the business. So the best way to find these are by looking at the Bureau of Labor statistics for the job position. So you're always wanting to look at the tab that says how to become one. And to get to this page, you just search BLS plus job title and whatever your job title is. So for this page, it would be BLS plus janitor. And then you'll land on this page, which is a summary. And then you'll just come over here to how to become one. For janitors, it says you don't need an education. Job training's typically on the job. Certifications are available through these places. So I would take this section. I would literally just copy and paste this section. Because the education stuff's good to have. So just go in here. Education. Oops. So yeah, I think it's important for people to know the education stuff. I don't like how it did that. Let's try a different way. What the hell, dude? So you're going to have to double click on each one. So just put those in there. If it has any other stuff, you can put them in like that too. For instance, the other one I'm going to show you probably does. Then you're going to want qualities. So for this one, interpersonal interpersonal, physical stamina, physical strength, knowledge of cleaning products. Mechanical knowledge. Yep, I do. What? Yeah. So I want to give you another example. This is an aerospace engineer. As you can see, it requires a bachelor's degree in engineering. You need to pass ABET exams. And then you need to obtain enough information to become a PE. So for a business license, for a business owner, you'd either need a PE or you'd have to hire one. So, but if you look at their fees, I mean, so if it requires a PE license and you don't want to take 8 years to get it, or 10 years, or whatever it is, you should expect to spend $130,000 on a PE. So you want to look at these, because this is the normal job, and it requires a registration, the registration and like professional licenses. It requires math skills, problem solving skills. Most of these all say the same thing. But now, if you go over to an engineering manager, which I probably should have done, Hold on. Here, we'll do the architect. How to become one. Bachelor's degree in architecture. Many earn a master's degree, which can take an extra 5 years. So right here, it tells you what kind of stuff you need to know. It also says you need an NAAB or and a 3-year internship. So right there, you know you need 9 years of experience to be able to become an architect. And you have to pass certifications. And these are the skills you need. These are some more skills you need. But then you also need, then if you want to be the business owner, you also need, that's the same thing basically. Okay, cool. So yeah, but some of them will not be. Some of them will not be because let's see, building maintenance. BLS facility manager. There we go. Okay, so a general maintenance worker, which is something that you might need as skills. For instance, electricians, heating and air conditioners, mechanics, plumbers, all have skills they need. But then, if you look at how to become a facility manager, which is their boss, you normally need a bachelor's degree. You also need experience in business operations and having worked as a repair or cost estimator. So I mean, you need to look at both these pages and see what is needed, both the general work page and the management page, to see what is needed. In addition, there are some skills that every business owner needs, which I've listed here. A desire to learn, general understanding of industry, basic knowledge of bookkeeping, technology, marketing, decision making, and problem solving. And the reason why you need the basic knowledge of bookkeeping, technology, and marketing is, let's face it, if you don't understand it enough to have an educated conversation with the people who handle it for you, there's a good chance they're gonna screw you. So every business owner should have this stuff in the list and this stuff in the list. And if they, with employees, they should also have this stuff. So Okay. So these ones right here will change. These ones right here should stay the same. So I'm going to put a box around these. And I'm going to make that do not change, so that it's a little easier to see. So that's it for this section of the video. I will be covering a few more subjects in a few here, but I have to stop recording for the day. Have a wonderful day.